We can lead you to millions of talented and expert developers in a matter of seconds. It's just a few small and simple steps. Let me show you how to get your sourcing job done really quickly. After you sign in, press on the repositories option on top right. Here Git-talents makes it very simple and easy because you don't need any syntax or complex keywords to search on Github. This very page gives you direct access to the highest ranking and most popular Github repositories, where you can have thousands of leads. Choose the target programming language from the language categories menu. Say you want to source front-end engineers, for that you will select JavaScript from the Dropbox menu. Now this page will display the trendy and the best ranking Github repositories for the chosen skill. Once again, choose and click what best fits your needs. This click will get you to the repository containing all the potential leads of your interest. Now, click on the export option. Here, you have to enter the number of leads you want to extract from the target repository. Say I need 1000 leads. Click on export. Now, click download result. After a few seconds, the file will be downloaded. Open the downloaded file using Excel or Google Sheets. Now, you can use filters to better arrange the leads the way you need them to be. And just like this, you have the nice, good and as many as you want. You liked it? Then you are going to love this one. You can use our Chrome extension to extract the leads as well. Just like before, after signing in, press the repositories option on top right. Once again, choose your target programming language. The Github repository page will appear. You just have to select and click on the leads of your interest. This click will get you to the repository containing all the potential leads of your interest. Moreover, the Chrome extension provides you fast and direct access to the other pages on Git-talents.io. Finally, click on our extension icon. Enter as many leads as you want from the repository and hit the generate button. The extraction may take a few seconds. Do not switch tabs until the leads extraction is finished. Upon completion, press OK and you're done. Use Excel or Google Sheet to open the downloaded file. You know the drill. Use filters to get similar leads and there you go, you're ready to boss them all. As promised, your recruiting job is done in seconds. You are welcome.